Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, June 1st, 2015. We're going to start off June on a very wet note with rain a threat all the way through this entire week, but the best potential for rainfall will be today with widespread heavy rainfall developing by this afternoon and evening for the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. This morning we have one band of moderate to heavy rainfall moving through the region, and we have a stationary front basically hanging over the northern mid-Atlantic, and you can see that very nicely on the winds here. Over the New York City metro, we have winds from the northeast and the east around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures are basically in the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior and over much of Connecticut. Then we get towards the lower to mid 60s over the New York City metro and northern New Jersey. And then as you head towards Philadelphia, you have winds developing from the southwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. I think you can see where our stationary front is. And so as a result, you have winds on the northeast side of Philadelphia from the northeast and on the southwest side from the southwest, with temperatures in the Philadelphia metro in the mid to upper 60s. Now, there's going to be quite a bit of a difference in temperatures over the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area for today. For example, in New York City, temperatures will basically range from the mid to upper 60s, possibly a few lower to mid 70s on the western suburbs. In the Philadelphia metro, upper 70s to lower 80s. So you're talking about a 20-degree temperature gradient from Philadelphia to New York City for today. And that, of course, is going to support the potential for showers and thunderstorms. So on our latest radar, as of this morning, we have one band of moderate to heavy rainfall moving through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. The majority of the heaviest rainfall here will be east of the major cities by the time we get to the heart of rush hour, but still there's going to be some impacts and delays because of these areas of moderate to heavy rainfall. We're going to get a slight break in the late morning and early afternoon hours, say from about 10 a.m. to about maybe 1 p.m. Then after that, we'll see another redevelopment of showers and thunderstorms, and that is going to be associated with this low pressure system. So we had this low pressure system produce moderate to heavy rain yesterday, especially to the north and west of the major cities. This low pressure system this morning is bringing moderate to heavy rainfall to the coast, and then this low pressure system will move through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area this afternoon and evening, producing widespread showers and thunderstorms capable of some very heavy downpours, leading to rainfall amounts throughout the region, basically ranging from an inch along the coast to as much as 3 inches on your western suburbs of Philadelphia and New York City. Now, with these thunderstorms, if you get a training thunderstorm, there is just as much potential along the coast as there is over the interior for a very impressive rainfall amount. However, that's not going to be widespread. It's going to be isolated. So, for example, let's say Belmar ends up with 3 inches, hypothetically, because a thunderstorm just kind of lingers over Belmar. But then as you head south towards, let's say, Atlantic City, you only get an inch, maybe an inch and a half out of the entire event because you don't get those thunderstorms lingering over your region. So that's how this whole scenario is going to break down. Wherever those thunderstorms set up and start to train, that's where you could expect some rather impressive rainfall amounts, just like we saw yesterday, with some locations getting over 4 inches of rain, while other areas barely a half an inch. So there's going to definitely be a rather large range in the rainfall potential. Let's take a look at our latest model guidance from the Penn State UL website, the European model guidance, and we'll take a look at this forecast. So for today, we have another wave of low pressure moving through, periods of showers and thunderstorms, temperatures again in the mid to upper 60s in the New York City metro, especially over Long Island to New York City, lower to mid 70s on the western suburbs in New York City, and then upper 70s and lower 80s over the Philadelphia metro. For tomorrow, that cold front edge dropped to the south. We're going to have that low pressure system exiting the region, so look for showers in the morning tomorrow, then only isolated showers in the afternoon with slow clearing from west to east. It's going to be a rather chilly day though. Temperatures in the morning will range from the upper 50s in the New York City metro to lower to mid 60s in the Philadelphia metro. High temperatures in the lower to mid 60s in the New York City metro, mid to upper 60s in the Philadelphia metro. Then we clear out. Now here's the good news. For Wednesday, high pressure briefly leads to some dry conditions. So look for mid to upper 50s for lows, lower to mid 70s for highs. Now, this disturbance right here, which we could see right there, is basically going to linger over the southeast and Tennessee River Valley and hold that cold front up a bit until we get to Friday afternoon, where that cold front moves through. So Thursday and Friday we'll see a threat for widely scattered showers, followed by widespread showers on Friday afternoon to Saturday morning. So on Thursday, look for temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows, lower to mid 70s for highs, pretty much near normal to where we should be for this time of year with scattered showers. Friday, same thing, upper 50s to lower 60s for lows, lower to mid 70s for highs in the New York City metro, mid to upper 70s for highs in the Philadelphia metro, with a little bit more of a southwesterly wind ahead of that cold front. Then on Saturday morning, lower to mid 60s with a few lingering showers, clearing by the afternoon, and we should see high pressure really drive in and basically drop those dew points to make for a rather comfortable afternoon for Saturday. Looking for upper 70s in the New York City metro, upper 70s to lower 80s in the Philadelphia metro. And then on Sunday, with high pressure and complete control, a rather nice day, with upper 50s to lower 60s for lows and mid to upper 70s for highs. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen D. Martino. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.